The old girls of Aunty Girls Comprehensive Secondary School 1983 set celebrated their reunion with a host of activities to mark the three-day event. The 40th anniversary themed old school nostalgia brought together the old students, whom most are established professionals across various walks of life. The program started on Friday, 25th August 2023, with the arrival of members of the association and invited guests. The chairperson of the committee, Reverend Sister Helen Maris, gave the welcome address that brought back quite a few heartfelt memories to the old girls who were present.
40 is a milestone. You know, like it's popularly said, life begins at 40. I think it's a year that is very significant in one's life. For God to have kept us for 40 years since we left the secondary school is worth celebrating. And that is why we're here today and we're thanking God and we're coming together, like we did in those years back. We haven't seen ourselves in over 40 years, some of us that are here today. So it's worth celebrating. It's worth celebrating. And we're all happy to be here.
I'm an HR professional and I'm the national president of the Aunty Girls Comprehensive Secondary School Old Girls Association.
So we are here to celebrate 40 years of the 83 set. What words do you have for them?
Okay, it's a great pleasure to be here. And we just want to thank God for the last 40 years. Of course, I'm also 83%. So want to thank God for the last 40 years for keeping us alive till today. It's not by our power, it's not by our minds, it's just by His sheer mercy. And we are not taking that for granted. So we just want to give Him praise. And that's why we are here, to say thank you, Lord. All of us, whatever religion we belong to, we are one. We're just coming together to just honor God, to say thank you, and to celebrate ourselves. So I just want to say happy anniversary to the 1983 set. I want to say congratulations.
A seminar presented by Dr. Nelson Ayodele titled Mental Health Sustenance Amidst Multiple Challenges was given to address the rising issues faced by people, especially career women, in the face of family, work, and the society.
When you see people walking on the road, don't ever think that they are just going to the next block. Some may be going from here to here, and they are just walking all the way. So it is real. There's insecurity all over the place. Nobody is safe any longer. These are things that can trigger, mental health, family responsibility. You can see father and mother and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. He has to cater for all of them, and there is unemployment. All the money that you pay in Babcock, in Covenant, in UI, Unilag, the child will graduate and there is no work. And the child will still be coming back to you to say, Daddy, can you give me, I need 10K, I need 5K, I need urgent, and you always need urgent 2K, So, all these things can get to you if you are not careful.
The event was taken further away from the premises of the occasion to the Heritage Home's Motherless Babies Orphanage to show love, care, empathy, and giving back to the society by the old girls. This was done through the presentation of various gift items to the children and staff of the home. Indeed, a joyous occasion that celebrates great feats and achievements can be achieved in a lifetime with collaboration, love and support, as the old girls of Aunty Girls Comprehensive Secondary School 1983 set.